Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I am going to start a new exercise of the arithmetic syllabus, that is revision lesson exercise number 3. Yes, revision lesson exercise number 3. In this exercise we will do sums of LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF of fractional numbers. So let's get started. Suppose fractions are given to you, 3 fractional numbers are given to you. In case of LCM and HCF of fraction, what you have to do is, if you are asked to find out the LCM, the formula will be LCM of these fractions is equal to LCM of the numerator by HCF of the denominator. This is the formula that you have to apply when you will be asked to find out the LCM of any fraction. LCM of numerator by LCM of denominator. And on the other hand, if you are asked to find out the HCF of any fraction, then what you will do is, you will do HCF of the numerator by LCM of denominator. So this is the formula that you will follow while solving the sum of HCF or LCM of any fractional number. Now, through one example, let's see how you will solve the sum. I have written 3 numbers. I hope you have all written this formula. Please first write down this formula, because these 2 formula are very important to solve the sums of fraction. First, I have taken 3 fractional numbers. First, let's convert this mixed fraction into proper fractions. If I convert this, I am going to get 15 by 8, 25 by 32 and 35 by 64. If I am asked to do the LCM of these numbers, then LCM of 15 by 8, 25 by 32 and 35 by 64 is equal to LCM of the numerator, as I have told you in the formula that we will do LCM of the numerator. What are the 3 numerators in this sum? 15, 25 and 35. So we will write 15, 25 and 35. We will do the LCM of 15, 25 and 35. And then we will do the HCF of LCM of this divided by HCF of 8, 32 and 64. 8, 32 and 64. Then we will divide this. We will do the LCM of the numerators and we will do the HCF of the denominators and then divide. Now let's do the LCM and the HCF separately. We have to do all the things in fair work. If you wish to do all the things in rough work, please show the rough work in front of the page so that the teacher who checks can see it. So LCM of 15, 25 and 35. 5 3s are 15, 5s are and 7s are. So it is becoming 5 3s are 15, 5 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to 7 3s are 21, 25. 25 into 1, 25. 525. 525 is the LCM. So we will write 525 by HCF of 8, 32 and 64. 8, 32, 4s are 32 and 64. 4 coming as the HCF of 8, 32 and 64. So 525 by 8 will be the answer. You can show the answer in this way, or you can change this into mixed fraction. How will you do it? So I am rubbing here in order to show you the division, because you need to do the division. So 65 whole number, 5 by 8. This is how you will solve the sum. The answer will be 65 whole number, 5 by 8. This is the answer. So answer will be required LCM of these three numbers are 65 whole number, 5 by 8, or you can write 525 by 8 also. Let's very quickly move on to the other sum, where you will be asked to find out the HCF. The HCF of 2/3, 4, 1 by 5. 2 whole number 1 by 3, 4 whole number 1 by 5 and 8 whole number 1 by 6. These are the three fractions given to you. You are asked to find out the HCF of these numbers. How you will do it? First you have to change the mixed fraction. So change it into proper fraction. 7 by 3, 21 by 5 and 49 by 6. So you are asked to find out the HCF of these three fractions. So formula to find out HCF will be HCF is equal to HCF of these three is equal to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. How you will solve this sum? You will do the HCF of 7, 21 and 49. So HCF of 7, 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 and 7 7s are 49. 49 is 7, and LCM of 3, 5 and 6. This you have to do it and find out the LCM of 3, 5 and 6. Do the LCM of 3, 5 and 6. So it is coming 30. LCM of 3, 5 and 6 is 30. So answer is coming 7 by 30. So this is the answer. Required HCF of these three fractions is 7 by 30. In this way you are going to solve the sums given to you. To find out the HCF or LCM of any fraction, you have to apply this formula and solve the sums in this way, the way I have shown in the board. Please follow the classes to solve the sums of exercise 2 and exercise 3. More I will help you to get in the online classes, and in my next class I will come up with the problem sums of fractions of HCF, LCM fractions, HCF and LCM of fractions. So till then, goodbye.